So Google is gearing up to unveil its next-generation A-series smartphone, the Pixel 9a, later this month. Over the past few months, numerous leaks have surfaced, hinting at significant upgrades in design, hardware, and camera capabilities over its predecessor. Now, a fresh leak has reportedly revealed the official launch date, design renders, and marketing material, giving us a clear idea of what to expect from Google's upcoming budget-friendly smartphone. According to the latest reports, Google is planning to launch the Pixel 9a on March 19, 2025. However, the device's availability in India might follow a day later, on March 20th. Interestingly, last year, Google surprised everyone by launching the Pixel 8a just days before the Google I/O event, so a similar unexpected reveal could happen this year. Tipster of Leaks recently shared a series of marketing images showcasing the Pixel 9a's rear design and color variants. According to the leak, the device will be available in 4 color options: porcelain, peony, iris, and obsidian. Design-wise, the Pixel 9a is expected to feature a refined camera module with a reduced camera bump, giving it a cleaner look. Additionally, it is rumored to receive an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, aligning it closer to Google's premium flagship models. Under the hood, the Pixel 9a is speculated to be powered by Google's latest Tensor G4 chipset, which also powers the upcoming Pixel 9 series. This would offer a significant performance boost compared to the Pixel 8a. The device is rumored to sport a 6.3-inch OLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, promising a more responsive user experience. In terms of cameras, the Pixel 9a is expected to retain a dual-camera setup featuring a 48-megapixel primary sensor and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a substantial improvement in image quality and low-light performance. Additionally, the device is rumored to pack a massive 5100 mAh battery, addressing one of the common pain points of budget smartphones and ensuring longer battery life. With notable upgrades across design, hardware, and battery life, the Pixel 9a could become one of the most compelling mid-range smartphones this year. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Pixel 9a? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.